now. If we all can remember, good, no boy never left me yet and me ever run them. That's why I take up man when I can't rule. So when I say go, you have to go. If you can remember the story good, a man yam out me chicken and me run with that. I pretty me know say me did that breed before that. Yeah? Man yam me chicken and me run well left that. Remember good. Me never breed after chicken yam out. Me breed during the time when chicken yam out. Them the time them me run with boy a long time. And after me realize how much months I breed already. Eh? Remember me run up boy. Me never breed for catch no boy. Me fuck like me blind and catch belly. Remember good. That the woman them. Fear belly no come willingly and lovingly. Fear belly come out of to prove a point. Remember say the boy did come out come say me there with none of them. Remember the boy did say never there with me. And the boy post up say never there with she. When you forgot. Remember the boy say never want none of it. Brawling post it. Me have them say when I'm a phone for use approach. Remember say the boy say no want none of it. The only thing he want is your picnic. Then after a month after we see post girl say she pregnant. Breed to prove a point. When I ask her the best thing that ever happened to me because guess what? Me and my son can live in a peace. Eh? I should even know say me pray upon that morning, noon and night. Me pray upon it. You see me not glad say I have one next picnic. Me and my picnic I live peacefully now. No more quote, no, just forget about man and I saw it stay. But talk about your own. No care where your body wall deep, you can't provide no picnic night in a dirty boy. Man for act like man.
Tell a man to act like man.
Show me a teeth them.
Mute back the bitch.
Me and mute you.
Show me a teeth. You're such you don't have no shame. You don't have nothing more blood clot.
Show me a teeth them.
Come to the girl, so them man a Batman and Batman fuck you. And you go come tell me some man to act like man. That means you take man when you act like man. That means I see you skill out your pussy and you fuck it up. But take a really good day.
Which man
I'm gonna get click. Come on, no, I can't see you click. You click them fall apart blood clot. Your pussy click them drop down. Your pussy click them one cement and concrete and black and steel. To put up together, your clit drop, your clit fall down, your clit one resurrect no blood clot, your clit ugly, your clit one blood clot, stick up on blood clot, shoot up, your clit not have no sense, your clit no blood clot sense, your clit ugly,
show me a dental.
After I see your pussy clit, them say, Jesus Christ, that pussy are ugly. I was there. Make everybody put their ugly stuff. I think you have a one that's top, yeah. I never come with money and you come and say that to yourself, you go tight up your pussy. I want to run through your pussy, I run through your pussy. I didn't train them on the train track where I run on the iron, them and that I run through your pussy, make your pussy damage, so. Your pussy wear and tear. Your pussy wear and tear.
Michael Jackson. Wanna be Michael Jackson.
You know, me know me I win the
war.
You know, me know me I win the blood clot war.
Yeah.
Because you have post them and
wanna be blood clot, Michael Jackson.
Jump, because I get a gas on me. Record the fuck out of all the curse. You can't tell about Batman.
I don't make you vex now.
Shit up right.
Tell about your nose more. I'm saying you
resurrect. Your pussy died from blood clot in the 16th century.
That's why you're cursing me because me say why you cut your nose so sharp.
From the blood clot Caesar time.
Look at you.
Your pussy don't make no sense. So we are said drunk crowd. Me now
can't argue with somebody where I just have
pick with your suck good girl.
Me can't argue with somebody when I don't know
with the come here tap them. Me not do this. Me the blood clot do this. Me not put it on my background. Attack me attack.
Hey.
Attack me a blood clot talk. Me not put nothing in my background. Come like that. You to look. Why would I have your picture saved in my blood clot phone? I'm in a friend. Eh?
Hey.
You're mute a bit, so I'm mute back.
I didn't mute you, you never the mute.
Yeah, talk.
Listen, only thing I have to say. Listen.
Matches right across the board.
The only thing I have to say to you, the
positive matches across the board.
People they want hear something new.
10. Beauty from within. Can't win this. Confidence straight up.
What beauty? Which part of you are beauty? Not even the dentures in your mouth are beauty. Your dentures them are rocking out. You have to come with something new. Every day talk about people can't actually. It's coming like a warrior style.
The boy now use me. I don't pay the boy to stay with me like you. I don't pay the boy to stay with me like blood clot you.
Who I pay to stay with me? Who me pay to stay with me?
All the boys, I always still never want a girl. I owe you desire and the heart beat. You know what palpitation means? Rapid beating of the heart. And your holding now beat fast for your blood because Katrina, him heart beat fast for. Katrina can't live without. You is just a regular shit of the fuck in the pub. You is just a regular girl I'm seeing at the go-go club and him give $100 or $150. You don't even deserve $200. And him fuck you and forget you. And you catch a belly and you try to hold him and he did not want to be held.
You sound like that sense? Yeah, anything where you say sound like it makes sense?
Thank you. Of course it makes sense because Karina
anything where you say makes
Karina
sense.
is enjoying her life with him right now and you desire him and he ain't looking at you. So of course it makes sense.
Mother, I have one thing to say to you. You see this little thing that you think you're smart, thinking you're going to haul me out to get mad to say something about the two people. It's not going to work because guess what? Restraining all upon me, which me can't say anything about them. The boy not trouble me. The girl not trouble me. There's nothing for me to say bad about them. Them I live them life. Me I live my life. You're talking about your ugly motherfucking nose. Because you know what you're trying to do and it's not working. You know what you're trying to do and it's not working. They don't trouble me, I don't got to trouble them. We're talking about you. We're talking about your nose. Put on the phone, let me see your hood.
And this we use.
I can't see nothing, let me see your hood.
No.
I have to lock that they would there.
I can't see you. I can't see you pick up my hood and
your hood that bun your girl. Your hood that bun you. Your hood that bun you.
Chat, we got a flash goal going on. We need 40 donuts. I don't know what that is, but it come up on the screen. Flash goal, 40 donuts. So guys, can you give me a recharge, please, and help me to complete my flash goal? 40 donut, chat. 40 donut. Let's go, chat. 40 donuts. We need 40 donuts.
That's why I'm out dead. Him would have got dead because him don't feel a connection with you. And him,
well, let me tell you something. Hey.
You hear
me? Hey, you hear me? Remember, King is a born American citizen. If he got jail, him got jail. Don't make me have to call him and bring him my fish fry.
Bring him.
Chat, help out A and chat. We need 40 donut, chat. Let's go. Newborn, thank you. Chat, we need 40 donut. Something come up on my screen with say 40 donuts. One flash goal, something chat. 40 donut, chat. Help me to complete the 40 donut, chat. Let's go.
You hear me? Don't call his name out of your filthy batty man mouth. How dare you try to call his name? Wanna see what me look man out just want him? Wanna think every man a batty man? You think every man a batty man?
I embarrass him, man.
Remember you coming to the fish fry, me make them beat you now.
You can't nobody beat me so
because you just free. Just a Raja come and you go walk with the pepper spray.
Argument sake, eat that girl. You see that in a sense.
You're afraid.
You see that in a sense.
Streets will beat you up.
Now Raja can go to the blood clot.
Come and want to lick me.
I can't fling back a girl. Your pussy still dead. Your pussy still dead. Your pussy dead.
And guess what, one? No Batman can enter the fish fry.
You show your pussy.
He's the only gay coming to the fish fry.
Your pussy coming like dead flesh.
Cookie is the only gay coming to the fish fry. You can't come to the fish fry, you're not invited. Batman can't come. Which fish fry you don't go? You can't come, you see.
I want to come. I put turn my back.
You're going to get turned back. You cannot come inside.
Be a police and ambulance over there. I want to turn my back because be a blood clot. Police and ambulance. And stop going to shut down.
Do you not know Appleman is a big
police and ambulance? I want your dirty girl. I want your dirty blood.
Do you not know Appleman is a big top police? You can't carry no police here. Maybe a police are
how we don't like you.
Police is already going to be at the event. You cannot call nobody to knock off the woman party.
The uncle tell my girl, boy, you repeat judgment. I when them want.
You can't call nobody to the party.
Rochelle is
no transmission at the event. Rochelle, baby, no transmission. It's a real fish fry. Keep it.
Your man with the dreadlocks.
It's a real fish fry keeping. You don't got to call police. Police is already going to be there. You cannot mash up the fish fry.
The boy would 30%
You
off.
can't mash up no fish fry.
The boy would 30%
First fish fry. Fish fry, yes. It's gonna be the one of the baddest. And the best fish fry. It's gonna be a talk about. None of the batty man can come mash up no fish fry. You want to get lick left, right, and center. You want to get lick left, right, and center. Me tell Apple don't sell you no ticket. The only batty man coming is ticket. No more.
Keep it going. Your pussy want a break.
Guys, if September 13, Brooklyn, New York, Apple fish fry. Buy on the ticket link in the description. The only fish coming today. Angel and Tiki. Nice skin Angel. You can't come. You cannot come.
Your pussy coming in the
Everyone
Everyone who got a problem.